Well, after a week in getting the engine fixed and being here in St. Lucia, we're off to go further south. We'll see how far we get before we hit any new problems, which I hope we will not see.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I just wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Well, it definitely has been an interesting ride so far. Almost a little bit over a week in the Marina, and now we're finally can do some more sailing, but we only have a week left. So let's see what we can get out of it. But it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's warm. The weather was a little nasty earlier, as you saw, but that's okay. It's still warm weather. I don't know if you can see, but black beaches and black sand. Volcano. So, really nice.
I know we've seen better days. Life is just a game we play. You hold tight to the world you know. The hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I. We could stay wild, wild. We could stay wild, wild. We could stay wild. We could stay wild. miss your chance. Take off, get lost again. Young enough to change our love. Laugh it off when times get tough. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher that we climb. I know somewhere that you and we could stay wild, wild. We could stay wild, wild. We could stay wild. We could stay away we go, away we go. Don't think twice. Away we go, away we go. No, don't think twice. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher that we climb. I know somewhere that you and we can stay wild. We can stay wild. We can stay wild, wild. Right now, we're on the ride of our lives off the ground. We're on the rise, stars in our eyes. Walking like a seatbelts, we about to free fall. Hanging out the window, what you think of me now? We keep climbing, we're riding, lightning. All the way, all the way, all the way. Right now, we're on the
So we spent 2 days between the two Pitons. Very windy at night. It creates a funnel. We wanted to stay one more night, but decided no, we're heading back and back to the Marina. Then another for a few days, and then a few more days in some other marina, simply because of the power issues and engine issues we have. But still beautiful, still lots to see. So we just left, and it's a beautiful morning. Out here there's not a lot of wind, you may hear some, but it's not that bad. It's pretty calm, not enough for sailing. And we're just gonna go up there, stay a few nights, and then we continue on. Sailing trips are almost over. Goes quickly when you have fun. Anyway, the hotel that I showcased that we were at the beach at yesterday, it's around $1,400 a night, 2 people. So quite exclusive, quite expensive. Beers and food. Beers range from $6 to $9, where the food ranges from 20 to 75 US dollars. So that's all US dollars, not EC dollars, what they usually have here. So Caribbean money, Eastern Caribbean money, EC. Anyway, so let's enjoy the trip. Back up to the Marina and see what we see.
Every breath holds a moment, everyone a chance to take.